Ram Narayan Ram. Do you know that the conflict between Israel and Palestine happened because of personal ownership? Israel says, "This is my land," and Palestine says, "This is my land." But the earth belongs to everyone. Everyone has a right to it. The reason for the fight is personal ownership of land. Whatever is happening in Arab countries, all of them should be encouraged to chant Ram Narayan Ram. The people of Islam should be told to chant Ram Narayan Ram continuously for just one day 24 hours. Then the whole world will witness that the Arab countries are chanting Ram Narayan Ram. The real name of Allah is Ram Narayan Ram. Call him once by this name, and you will see he will surely come. Ram Narayan Ram is the true God. Everyone should chant Ram Narayan Ram. There are so many educated people on earth, yet why do they behave foolishly? On earth, there are kings and subjects, rich and poor. Why is this so? Everyone should be equal on earth, there should be no discrimination. Around 10,000 years ago, this inequality did not exist. That's why I say there is no true king on earth. There is only one master of all, and that is the sky. The sky is our true parent. If you call the sky God or Allah, he will not come. You must call him by his real name Ram Narayan Ram. Only then will he come. You should sit at home and chant Ram Narayan Ram. This will benefit you greatly. On earth, human beings have become the worst enemies of each other. But when people start chanting Ram Narayan Ram, they will begin to love each other, speak kindly to each other. Ram Narayan Ram is the name of our true parents. It is the name of the sky. You might wonder, how will you recognize Vivek discernment? Vivek listens, speaks, and holds our body together. Vivek learns to distinguish between truth and falsehood. Vivek is the mind, the body, the consciousness, the soul. It is everything. As long as everything inside our body remains truly ours, as a complete package, our body will continue to function. Everyone should chant Ram Narayan Ram continuously so that all lives may become happy and prosperous. This seed mantra holds the power, the strength, that awakens every cell of your being and brings success and joy into your life.